of there. Here. Get out of there. Big. And collect Easter eggs.
There's 8 eggs. Can you find all 8 eggs?
Where's our eggs?
That's the whole game. He's gonna eat each one of you.
Banana!
Oh boy, that's the one that you packed. I'm so glad that was the first one you found.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. I would never stop you from eating some banana. Might want to take it out of the egg. There's nothing like a good banana-filled egg.
What?
Don't mind me, I'm just recording this moment in history. Ron figures out how to eat banana out of an egg. You might have to use your fingers. Or are they dirty? You look really funny. Maybe Papa can help with it. Oh, he's going somewhere.
It's not dirty anymore.
Okay. That shouldn't be too dirty. 1 egg found. 7 more to go. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Huh! You found another one. What did you find? Some treats. This is not how egg hunts usually go, but that's alright. We're making our own rules. I think the space is almost all taken up on there.
Okay. I just want to get some pictures.
Yeah.
For the calendar book.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the next egg?
You gotta find it. Okay, you have 2 eggs, so 2 minus 8, or 8 minus 2 equals 6. You don't need to get into negatives.
We packed all kinds of trees.
We sure did.
That's the one I packed.
Another one you packed. Wow, a fig.
You found a fig egg?
Those are unique. Even I wouldn't have thought to put a...
Orange one. You must see the orange one.
Let me see that egg. Show it to me.
Chocolate!
Oh boy. Might want to slow down so you can chew. Yeah, let's just slow down. You don't have to eat all the eggs when you find them. But that's okay. If you want, you can set it on the table here. There you go.
Mom.
Oh, well, yeah, no problem, babe. Yeah, you gotta switch up the fig for the chocolate. So you found 4. There's 4 more to go.
What you got over there?
He has to wait until his chocolate's good. Oh. What was it? Can it be rinsed off? Oh, those gummy things. We'll rinse them off. Maybe we should wait to open the eggs. I think we're okay, so there's 3 more. You found 5. 8 minus 5 equals 3.
What's in this one?
I don't know. You're gonna check or you're gonna...
Carefully.
More gummies.
What's in there?
My gummy.
We're good.
Alright, now you have 2 left. Just 2. You found 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2.
Is there another egg?
There's 2 more.
2 more?
Uh-huh.
Where's the other egg?
I don't know.
I can't find it all by myself.
Well, you haven't tried much yet.
Where's that egg? Ah! What's that?
See, there you go. Okay.
More gummies!
Oh boy!
Is there one more?
There's one more. This one might be more difficult to find.
Which kind is that?
It's not one color. It has 2 colors on this egg. It's green and pink.
Green and pink.
Yeah.
I haven't talked in a while.
I know. That's because we're playing this game. Where could it be?
Eggy, eggy, eggy. I'm trying to call for it.
Yeah.
We use these eggs to make more trees in them.
We sure can. That's why they're plastic.
Oh, you're getting warmer. You're getting warmer. You're getting warmer.
Did you see? Yay! Wow! You did so good. That's amazing. It's a hard one to open. Be careful when you open it. Do you want some help?
Yeah.
So we won't go on the ground again.
Need to help you? Need to help you? Need to help you?
What's inside there?
Yeah. Yay!
Good job, bud. You found all the eggs.
Now we use them to make more trees.
Oh, right now you want to do it again? The thing is, we don't have any more treats. Well, we have some. What are you doing? How about we just... You want to play the game again, or you just want to eat?
Play it again.
Oh. Well,
It's a fun game.
that is a fun game. I like it, especially...
collect it all again.
Oh, let me think about that.
I think it's a great idea to do games all day.
Yeah.
It's good.